My name's Richard Duffy. I'm the CEO and founder of SMB Solutions Cloud Services, and many of you will of course know me from my days as the SAP Business One product evangelist when I worked for SAP. So we're here at the summit, and even though this video is coming out to you after the summit, we're here and we're talking to partners all about our cloud offering. So what makes us different? What makes us different is that all we focus on is SAP Business One. We don't sell Business One, that's your job as a partner. We don't support Business One, that's your job as a partner. We are here to help you be successful. We are here to support you as you transition your customers from on-premises to the cloud. The thing that makes us different as well is that because all we do is SAP Business One, we are focused on making sure that all the very latest technologies that are available for SAP Business One are available to you and to your customers on the cloud. We offer multi-tenant deployments, we offer single-tenant deployments. We are available on SQL and we're available on HANA. You want to use the service layer, it's available in our cloud. You want to use the web client, it's available in our cloud. You don't have to buy extra servers, you don't have to pay extra services. Our standard per user per month pricing model applies. If you're thinking about that and you're thinking, how does it work? In our environment, you can have as little as one user, and the minimum period of time that you can work with us is 1 month. We've never had a customer leave us, but we like to make sure that we make it simple for you so you don't have to stay with us because you've signed a piece of paper that says you have to stay. You stay with us because we're delivering you the service that you need and the service that your customers want. So to find out more about us, you can visit our website at www.smbsolutions.com.au. And for those of you who already know me, I have hundreds of videos on YouTube. I'm always on LinkedIn. Just search for Richard Duffy and SAP Business One and you'll find me, and we'd love to have the opportunity to talk with you about how we can help you be successful with SAP Business One and the cloud. Thank you.